Hey guys, so this is the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro Max. These are, you can say, mock-ups which is gonna show you the near final look ahead of official unveiling. So a small notch, diagonal camera finish on the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, a huge camera module on the iPhone 13 Pro Max and lots of changes. Now yeah, the main change coming is small notch in terms of weight. The height however is a tiny bit large than the one in iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, I wish it was overall small and the earpiece is not on top, Face ID is still there, which is nice for some. See, in my opinion, they should have gone with Touch ID cause with mask on, I guess many are facing issues unlocking iPhone via Face ID. Some rumors say with the iPhone 14 we may see a hole punch, but as of now notch is here to stay. In terms of the specifications, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is getting a 120Hz panel, which is something I was expecting in non-Pro top selling models as well. There will be iOS 15 out of the box, which got tons of changes, focus mode, memojis and whatnot. This OS is getting always on display exclusively for the iPhone 13 series, so that's a nice add-on I would say, and with the 120Hz LTPO display it may consume less battery. The camera specification sounds like a huge jump cause rumors are we are seeing a new super wide sensor which can capture more light, can take some great night images as well. Each camera module size is now 0.9 mm large than what we have in the iPhone 12. Some changes in camera software includes an Astrophotography Mode so that one can capture amazing stars. Some more changes includes front-facing selfie portrait videos and LiDAR helping in taking some portrait videos as well. Now the main highlight of this device will be, as always, A15 Bionic silicon, which is made using TSMC's 5nm plus fabrication process. So definitely seeing GPU and speed improvements in there. This will also aid in saving the battery life. So we have a 2406 mAh power on the iPhone 13 mini. The iPhone 13 gets 3095 mAh battery. The iPhone 13 Pro will have same 3095 mAh battery, and that's no shocker cause Apple use same size in standard and Pro variant. The Pro Max however gets a massive 4352 mAh battery. That's almost 670 mAh more than what we have in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section down below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.